But we begin with the developing news on the coronavirus tonight, only worsening in the U.S. ICUs across the South filling at an alarming rate. Florida, the new epicenter, more than 50 ICUs already maxed out. Tonight, the death toll is rising in 25 states, more than 137,000 lives now lost. Florida, after setting a daily record for deaths, reporting 112 more lives lost today. 56 hospitals in that state have no more ICU beds. Texas tonight reporting a record 110 deaths today. The Army now sending doctors and nurses to Houston. A new record in California, more than 11,000 cases in a single day. In one hospital in one hard-hit county, they told us just 3 ICU beds left. In Arizona tonight, the state health department there bringing in nearly 600 nurses from out of state to help. The nation's first governor testing positive. Oklahoma's governor, who attended that rally for President Trump, the image of him with no mask, he says he believes he got it afterward. Just today, Alabama's governor mandating masks statewide, acknowledging, quote, the numbers just do not lie. The situation growing more dire across several states, including that concern over ICUs in Florida. And Victor Akenda was there tonight, leading us off.
Miami is now being called the epicenter of a national crisis, where hospitals are filling up. Statewide, 56 ICUs are at capacity. Inside this warehouse, a daily rush to get supplies to those on the front lines.
This is Miami-Dade County's PPE supply. Boxes of face shields behind me. There are gowns here. Down this row, you have masks and gloves. These supplies, they come in and out daily.
I don't think there's ever enough at this point because we don't know what the conditions are going to bring to us.
Miami's mayor says they're reaching a critical point.
If things don't improve dramatically over the next week, we could be forced to take very dramatic measures like reinstituting a stay-at-home order.
With cases surging, schools here in South Florida won't reopen for now. But teacher Stephanie Miller worries. She needs her health insurance. After spending 21 days on a ventilator with COVID-19, she's now in rehab.
We're afraid of going back and catching it. Our immune systems are low as it is. We catch every flu the kids have. So we're very susceptible to COVID.
Schools in San Francisco and Houston also planning to start the year online. And tonight, help is on the way for Houston doctors and nurses caring for thousands of patients. The Army setting up a new COVID ward to ease the burden. Months after we saw those refrigerated trucks outside a New York hospital, Texas counties now getting them ready as morgues fill up.
It's a hard thing to talk about when people's loved ones are dying, but in the hospital, there are only so many places to put bodies of the loved ones, and we're out of space.
In California, our Matt Gutman spoke to Misty Diaz. Last night, she and her brothers said goodbye to their father.
His nurse was just straight up with us. There is nothing that we can do. And I called my dad via like a video conference thing that they have. And I talked to him for about 30 minutes and we each took our turn. I didn't think he would go out this way, Matt. Not this way.
Her father was there for her 28 spina bifida surgeries, but Jose Pinales died this morning.
Never him. Maybe me, but never him.
The 62-year-old had been in the ICU with COVID for more than 2 weeks, a journey Misty's been documenting on social media, this wordless video going viral. Misty is now using her platform to plead with people to wear a mask. The death rate now climbing in 25 states, half the country. In Oklahoma, where cases are soaring, the governor today revealing he too has COVID.
I got tested yesterday for COVID-19 and the results came back positive. So I feel fine.
Kevin Stitt saying he does not believe he contracted the virus at the president's Tulsa rally, and he has resisted any statewide mask mandate. But in the state of Alabama, a new order requiring them. Violators could face a $500 fine, even jail time.
Folks, the numbers just do not lie.
On the deadliest day yet in Alabama, the governor warning hospitals could soon be overwhelmed.
The numbers and the data over the past few weeks are definitely trending in the wrong direction.
Mandating masks in Alabama late today. Victor joins us now from outside the convention center there in Miami Beach, where I know a field hospital has been set up if needed.
David, right now, all eyes are on the hospitals here in Miami-Dade County. ICUs are operating at surge capacity, but they are able to manage. If it gets to the point where they can't, they're prepared to take on patients here at the Miami Beach Convention Center. The field hospital has more than 400 beds. David?
All right, Victor Akenda, our thanks to you and Matt Gutman.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.